when we're going up the ramp, we're gonna go up forward. You have to be mindful of the chair because as you're going up, you need to make sure that you're going to first use the lines as your guide. So you're gonna come all the way up till it touches. You're gonna use what you have to tilt the chair backwards towards you, okay? So you wanna clear the casters, ready? All right, Elena, we're gonna go back on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Slowly lower with grace and control.
This feels like I'm on a roller coaster.
You're gonna use your body to push up, forward, up, up. Take your time and make sure that the casters are not coming. So you're gonna do a 360-degree turn. Slowly. Watching. Okay, keep going here. Slowly going down backwards. We'll talk about the rationale in a minute. I am getting my wheels all the way to the edge as close as possible, not up. All right, now we're gonna go down. I am gonna put 1 foot off, getting ready to take the weight of the chair, not onto my leg immediately, but you're gonna have to take a big step back. I'm gonna lower my base of support. Okay, Elena, we're going down. You sure you're ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go back. Slowly, 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 slowly. Big step back. Clearing the casters once more. 1, 2, 3. Back. And slowly, slowly, slowly coming down. Okay. Got it? All right. So let's talk about rush. Thank you, Elena. Very good. Right. So I'm gonna have to again tip. Ready? On the count of 3, we're going back. 1, 1 back. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Back. Slowly, 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 slowly. My casters are straight. You want to make sure that they're completely aligned. This is your runway. Sorry, I'm going to ask you. I know you guys are stabilizing. Ready? So now I have to lift up. You have to make sure that you're pushing up and forward because if you lift straight up, you're going to skid all over the place. Elaine, you ready? Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, up. Again. Turn. I am being very careful. If you need to move because you feel like the casters are going over the edge, just do a couple of repositionings because you don't want to be lifting and dragging the wheelchair. All right. 90 degrees again, and now we're going to go back down. So we're going slowly, slowly. Slowly. Waiting until I have to clear the casters. Right, Elena, ready? We're going back. 1, 2, 3, back. Slowly, slowly, slowly.